representation technique is inheritable knowledge. Inheritable knowledge is a type of knowledge in which knowledge element inherits attributes from its parent. It is also known as semantic network. Hence, it includes slot and filler structure as well as frames. Let's see one example. In that example, you have given some statements, and by using the statements, you have to represent the knowledge by using inheritable knowledge representation. So, first statement is Tom is a cat. So, we have to use some frames for representing this statement. And for first statement, two frames are used, and on the array we have to write is a. Is the relationship between Tom and cat. Another statement is Tom catch a bird. Tom is already exists here. Then we have to draw one link from Tom to bird. And there is a statement which is Tom catch a bird. So on that arrow we have to write catch. So Tom catch a. Then third statement is Tom is owned by John. Hence we have to link. We have to give link another link from Tom to next entity is John. So Tom is owned by John. So write relation here. So Tom is owned by John. And then next statement is Tom is red in color. So represent the color of Tom is red. Tom is red in color. Color of Tom is red. Another statement is cat likes cream. So cat is already here. Cat likes cream. You have to write like because on the array because like is the relationship between cat and cream. Another statement is cat sat on mat. So here cat sat on mat. Then a cat is a mammal. Is a relationship between cat and mammal. So we have to put mammal in a front and it is a on the arrow mammal. Then another statement is a bird is an animal. Bird is already present here, so we have to give relation is a for bird and animal. So it makes the sentence bird is an animal.